Just unboxed your Wacom tablet and wondering what to do next? Let's set up your Wacom tablet the right way in 4 simple steps. 1. Download the driver. First, head to the Wacom website by typing wacom.com drivers. Scroll download there, you will see Windows Downloader, then click Download. 2. Install the driver. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. This may take a few minutes. 3. Connect your tablet to your Windows device. During the installation process, it might ask you restart your computer. Make sure to save any open files and restart your computer to complete the installation. After the installation is complete, you'll now need to connect your device through Bluetooth, then allow your tablet to control your computer. 4. Customize your tablet. Finally, it's time to personalize your tablet features. Open the Wacom tablet settings and adjust the pen pressure, button assignments, and other settings to fit your needs. You can also explore the various features and tools available in your creative software. Now here's something cool. We can tell you where to get this from in lowest amazing price. To find out, check out the description. You're all set! Now go draw something amazing. And if this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends.